The Home Ministry of UK granted approval for extradition of fugitive diamond merchant Nirav Modi, wanted in India on charges of fraud and money laundering in Punjab and National Bank scam case. On February 25th, the UK court had ruled in favour of extradition of Modi. However, Nirav Modi still has the option of challenging his extradition to India in a higher court. He now has 14 days to make an application for leave to appeal to the higher court. He may seek leave to appeal against the decisions of both the district judge and Home Secretary. In February, the Westminster Court ruled that Modi not only has a case to answer in the Indian courts, but that there is no evidence to suggest he would not receive a fair trial in India. Modi lost his nearly 2-year-long legal battle against extradition on all grounds, as district judge concluded that there are no human rights concerns that his medical needs would not be addressed as per several Indian government assurances. At least 17 seers of Niranjani Akhada, including its secretary Ravindra Das Puri, have tested positive for coronavirus in a mass rapid antigen test camp conducted on Friday at the Akhada premises. The seers tested positive a day after Puri said that Akhada will not be continuing the Kumbh Mela on Saturday given the surge in cases. Mass testing of Niranjani Akhada seers was conducted after several complained of fever and cold. Officials said that 17 have tested positive so far and the number could shoot up. Earlier in the day, Mahant Manish Bharti was shifted to AIIMS Rishikesh Hospital after complaining of breathlessness due to COVID infection. Niranjani Akhada secretary Puri had declared that he has tested positive and was isolating himself. On Thursday, Puri said the Haridwar is in a bad shape. With the rising number of seers testing positive, he said the situation is not feasible for the Kumbh Mela to continue. The president of the Akhada Parishad, Mahant Narendra Giri, is already battling COVID-19 infection and has been hospitalized at AIIMS Rishikesh. The Mahant is also associated with the Niranjani Akhada. Prime Minister Narendra Modi was today briefed about the efforts being made by the government to import medical-grade oxygen to bridge the demand-supply gap amid a massive surge in coronavirus cases across the country. At a review meeting comprising senior officials of several ministries, PM Modi suggested that the production of medical oxygen should be scaled up as per the capacity of each plant, a government statement said. India on Friday reported over 2 lakh coronavirus cases for the second consecutive day. Several states, including worst-hit Maharashtra, have complained of a shortage of medical oxygen because of a massive demand triggered by the COVID surge. PM Modi's review comes a day after the centre identified 12 states, including Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Delhi, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan as those having high COVID burden. These states would be provided 4,880 tons, 5,619 tons and 6,593 tons oxygen on April 20th, April 25th and April 30th, the centre decided on Thursday. The centre has also decided to import oxygen from abroad. Against the backdrop of rising COVID-19 cases, the Election Commission on Friday put in place restrictions on campaigning by political parties, including curtailing its time for the West Bengal Assembly elections. In an order, the poll panel curtailed the time for campaign up to 7 p.m. Earlier, it was up to 10 p.m. Now, there will be no campaign between 7 p.m. and 10 a.m. on campaign day in the state, the Election Commission has said. It also extended the silence period from 48 hours to 72 hours in each of the remaining 3 of the 8 phases of West Bengal polls to be held April 22nd, April 26th and April 29th. Serum Institute CEO Adar Poonawalla on Friday urged US President Joe Biden to lift the embargo on export of raw materials needed for the production of Covishield coronavirus vaccine in India. Mr. Poonawalla reminded Biden that the world had to truly unite to beat the pandemic and that blocking access to raw materials would affect production of both the Covishield, which Serum Institute of India supplies to dozens of countries, and Novavax vaccine. Respected porters, if we are to truly unite in beating this virus, on behalf of the vaccine industry outside the US, I humbly request you to lift the embargo of raw material export so vaccine production can ramp up, he tweeted. The Serum Institute is the world's largest vaccine manufacturer by volume and is widely seen as a key player in the production of enough doses to protect a large portion of the global population against the COVID-19 virus. It is also, as of now, the principal supplier of the COVID vaccines for the Indian government, to whom Hyderabad-based Bharat Biotech is supplying Covaxin, and which is reportedly facing a critical vaccine shortage just as a deadly new wave of infections sweep the country.
जब हमने HW न्यूज नेटवर्क की नींव डाली थी, तब हमने ये ठाना था कि न्यूज और इंफॉर्मेशन ये लोगों तक फ्री पहुंचनी चाहिए, मुफ्त पहुंचनी चाहिए, और हम आज भी ये वचन पर कायम हैं। पर जैसे आपको मालूम है, न्यूज चैनल चलाने के लिए पैसों की जरूरत है, तो हमको सबको न्यूज फ्री पहुंचाने के लिए कुछ मेंबर्स और कुछ सपोर्टर्स की जरूरत है।
जी हाँ, मेरी आप सबसे गुजारिश कि आप सब HW न्यूज हिंदी की मेंबरशिप को ग्रहण करें। ये सदस्यता स्वैच्छिक है, यानी कि आप अपनी मर्जी के मुताबिक इसे ग्रहण कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि अगर आप इसे ग्रहण नहीं भी करते तब भी आपको HW न्यूज हिंदी के तमाम कार्यक्रम मिलते रहेंगे। मगर अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आजाद न्यूज जो है वो मजबूत हो, अगर आप चाहते हैं कि वो न्यूज जो सत्ता से सवाल पूछती है वो मजबूत हो, तो जरूर बने HW न्यूज हिंदी के सदस्य।
जो लोग हमारे 89 रुपए प्रति महीने वाले कार्यक्रम से जुड़ेंगे, उनके लिए HW न्यूज का बैच विश मिलेगा। साथ ही साथ उन लोगों को हमारे एक्सक्लूसिव पोल्स में भी शामिल होने का मौका मिलेगा। इसके अलावा हमारा जो दूसरा मेंबरशिप कार्यक्रम है वो 199 रुपीस प्रति महीने का है, यानी कि 199 रुपए प्रति महीने। और इस प्रोग्राम में हमारे जो मेंबर्स हैं उन्हें 99 रुपए के प्रोग्राम वाले सभी चीजें तो मिलेंगी। इसके अलावा बिजनेस से जुड़ी हुई बातें भी हम करेंगे। हमारे एक्सपर्ट अखिलेश भार्गव से आप बिजनेस से जुड़े हुए अपने सवाल भी पूछ सकते हैं। हम उम्मीद करेंगे कि आप इस निष्पक्ष पत्रकारिता की राह में हमें पूरी तरह से योगदान देंगे।